Back in this video, I will show you how you can add professional shading and patterns to paragraph in MS Word. So we are moving beyond basic highlights to explore the borders and shading menu in Microsoft Word. So first you need to select the paragraph which you want to give the shading, and then head to the design, and on the right side you will see that page border. You need to click on that, and in the border and shading dialog box you need to click on shading tab, and here is the fill color. You need to select and here you need to select the first color, for example the light gray color. You can select it, and here is the pattern fill. If you want to select 100% solid, and it will be black in total in the preview, you can see that, but I would recommend you should use the 5% or maximum 10%. And if you want to choose the color in pattern, you can select from here. For example, you can select the light color as well. This is the green. And now head to the apply and click on this arrow and select the paragraph, and now click OK to proceed. And now you can see that we have added professional shading and pattern to paragraph in MS Word. And if you want to remove it, then again highlight the paragraph, and you just need to press the Ctrl plus Q to use this shortcut to make the default settings. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.